Hi, in this video I will show you how to add a new field on Mailchimp form. To do this, you need to go to audience and audience dashboard like this. Click on the settings from here, and here you see audience field and merge text. Click edit audience fields. You can add a new field from here. The field label, new fild, the data type that you want to be in for the new field. I'm selecting website. Merge tag, if you want to add any custom merge tag, you can add it here, or you can make it record or not, that's up to you, and click on save. And you will see the merge tags are here. You can edit it as well. You can change the merge tag from here if you want, otherwise just continue. Here I saved it and I'm going back to the form editor. Here's the form editor. How I reached here, if you don't know, then let me show you from the beginning. Where is, go to create and sign up form, embedded form, give it a name, click on begin, and as we updated a field, added a field, the field is here now. The field is here now. You can toggle it on or off like this. You can change these labels from here, new. You can add some notes at the bottom like this. Sorry. And once done, you can click on continue and get your form code from here. So that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions, or if you want to have any other specific tutorial, please feel free to comment below. I'll be here to help. Thank you.